Hey guys, this is a POV of an annoying language art teacher. One second, I need to test out if this was the good working marker. I got a couple. Okay, found it. Okay, starting now. Good morning, class. Did everybody have a good day? Jeremy, how dare you say until now? Because that is not nice. Okay, everybody, pull out your markers. We will be learning how to fix sentences. Somebody give me an opinion. Daryl. The math teacher sucks? Okay. Okay, we're gonna write in someone I know opinion they think the kind math teacher sucks. Okay, now let's look at the sentence. Is there a capitalization on the first word, first letter? Okay. Is I capitalized in this sentence if it is used? Yes. Is the person who we're talking about called someone I know? Because we should not be sharing names? Yes. Is this an opinion? Yes. Did we give out genders? No. So we use they because some people prefer by going by they, them. And if you don't wanna just go ahead and say he or her, and you just wanna be on the safe side, you say they. Thin. So let's read the sentence. In someone I know's opinion, they think. What's wrong with this word? What's wrong with it? Yeah, we're missing a letter. We're missing the K in think. Okay, what's wrong here? What's wrong in this word? What's wrong? What's wrong? Jamie, what's wrong? Yes! Good job. Good job. You need that. Sorry, my marker's dying. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Let's see. Timmy, what's missing? What's missing in the sentence? Come on, wake up. We don't got all day. A period. Good job. Good job, Timmy. You can have the sticker. Okay. So now we need to say the sentence again. In someone I know's opinion, they think that the kind math teacher sucks. Now, what are we missing? You, Cassandra, what are we missing? Good job. This is all you guys. I'm not adding anything. If it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's right, it's right. Anything else we want to add? Jeremy, is there a word that we need to replace? The kind, what do we replace it with? Rude. Okay, I will tell her that. The rude math teacher sucks. What does she suck at? At teaching math? Good job. At teaching math. Now let's reread the sentence. In someone I know's opinion, they think the rude math teacher sucks at teaching math. Good job, everybody. We have one more before we have to do our daily language review. This is not daily language review. Okay? So for everybody who thinks it does, it is. It's not. It's that little packet, okay? One little packet. Okay, we have time for one more. What do we want to write about? You want to do something kind this time since we did something a little unkind. And I feel like the teacher would be very sad if she heard that. Yeah, what do we want to write about? Raise your hand. Let's write about a dessert. Who wants to pick a dessert? Hard to pick. How about you? Max, what do you pick? Okay. So we're going to write in. I'm going to give you a sentence and you guys got to fix it. In Max's opinion, he likes macaroons. Okay. We see some hands up. Sarah, you. What do you think is wrong with the sentence? One thing. Capitalization, I agree. Anyone else's? Max. Yeah, I did say it had to be in someone I know's opinion. So yeah, let's rewrite it. Someone I know. Oh, I see hands up. Did anybody notice a incorrectly spelled word? Daryl, you. Likes is spelled wrong. I agree.